The name of the chapter is Differential Equation. It is in semester 4, standard 12. See, we have learned application of derivative at chapter number 1, application of integration at chapter number 4. This chapter is nothing but an application of derivative and integration both. Here we require knowledge of derivative and integration both, because we are going to learn two type of differential equation, how to form and how to solve. How to form के लिए we require knowledge of derivative, and how to solve के लिए we require knowledge of integration. Now first of all, what do you mean by differential equation? What do you mean by differential equation? Differential equation is any functional relation of the form, any functional relation of the form f x, y, y dash, y double dash up to y raised to n is 0. Each called differential, short form में मैं DIEEF लिख लेती हूँ, differential equation. Here it is made up of x, y and differential coefficient. So x is called independent variable. What is x is called independent variable. Y is called dependent variable. And y dash, y double dash up to y raised to n are derivative of y with respect to x. First order derivative, second, third and n power. Okay. Now, what do you mean by order of differential equation, and what do you mean by degree of differential equation? Differential equation are defined in two ways, order as well as degree. Differential equation has two things. It is defined in two terms, order and degree. What do you mean by order of differential equation? Order of the highest order derivative. Order of the highest order derivative of y with respect to x occurring in differential equation is called order of differential equation. For example, suppose I am given this differential equation, x into d square y by dx square plus 5 is 0. So here, what is the order of this differential equation? Order is 2. Because highest order derivative occurring in this equation is of 2. D square y by dx square. We differentiate y with respect to 2, right, twice. So order of this differential equation is 2. Now degree of differential equation. How do I define degree of? उसकी जो differential equation की जो identity है ना, वो ये दो से है, degree of differential equation and order of differential equation. Okay. How can I define degree of differential equation? the highest power or of highest derivative of the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. The highest power of the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is called degree of differential equation, okay? But when you want to define degree of differential equation, first we have to simplify the differential equation and then we can decide about the order and degree. For example, this is a simple 2 into d square y by dx square. It is in a simplified form. I need not to simplify it anymore. dy by dx whole square plus 5 is 0. Here the equation is in a simplest form. So here what is the highest order derivative present? Order is 2. So here order is 2. And what is the degree? Degree is not 2. dy by dx का power 2 है, मगर d square by dx square का जो highest order derivative है उसका power 1 ही है. So here degree is 1. Because it is a highest power of highest order derivative present in the equation. Here in this differential equation we are going to learn two types of sums. First, how to form differential equation and how to solve. How to form differential equation. And second, how to solve. In order to form the differential equation, here we require knowledge of derivative. Differentiation. To eliminate arbitrary constant. To eliminate arbitrary constant. To form the differential equation, we require knowledge of differentiation. And why we require knowledge of differentiation? To eliminate the arbitrary constant. Suppose only one arbitrary constant is given in the solution, we have to differentiate once to eliminate that. If there are two arbitrary constants present in the solution of that, then we have to differentiate twice to eliminate the arbitrary constant. And to solve the differential equation, we require the knowledge of integration. Here we require the knowledge of integration. Integration. Why? To eliminate differential coefficient. Right? To eliminate derivative. And here we are going to introduce arbitrary constant in form of constant of integration. Clear? When we integrate, we are going to get a constant of integration. And those constant of integration we call it as a arbitrary constant. So एक में हम eliminate arbitrary constant को करते हैं और एक में हम arbitrary constant को invite करते हैं. Clear? एक में हम arbitrary constant को eliminate करते हैं, एक में हम derivative को eliminate करते हैं. Okay? Now, first we are going to learn as I said in differential equation, we are going to learn application of derivative as well as application of integration. Okay? Now how to form the differential equation. How to form the differential equation, हम वो पहले सीखते हैं. For example, if you are asked to obtain differential equation representing family of lines. If you are asked to obtain the differential equation of family of lines, right? Y is mx plus c, where m and c are two arbitrary constants. See, sum is like this. You are given a family of line, equation of family of line in a form y is mx plus c, where m and c are two arbitrary constants, and we are asked to form a differential equation. So there are two, here we are given two arbitrary constants. How many? Here we are given two arbitrary constants. So we have to differentiate twice. Differentiate twice to eliminate those two arbitrary constants. So first we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to WRTO, with respect to x. So my y बन जाएगा dy by dx, mx हो जाएगा m और c का डेरिवेटिव 0. Again I differentiating, I get d square y by dx square is 0. M is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Thus this is the required differential equation. You see, it is made up of only y double x. No arbitrary constant, okay? So this is the required differential equation.